Happy birthday. Blue, blue, blue.
Yeah. I don't have. Cheers. Too much talking.
No. You can. Happy birthday to you. Hello, beautiful people. Today we are going to Pattaya and we're gonna be traveling for 40 minutes from my home to the location that we are going. We are going to the place of Darlene that he gonna be doing the surprise birthday party for Copper. Copper don't even know this, and yes, Darlene is very good in organizing it. I'm very happy that I'm a part of it, and now we are here in Pattaya, and let's go join them as they prepare for the party. It's preparing. Happy birthday. Blue, blue, blue.
Yeah.
Ang madam. Oh. What, ano ka man? Lumpia is lady.
Nag-adobo tayo.
And ano man to? Sitaw. So this is new experience. Darlene got her rice cooker. Of course, not the same with my rice cooker. She got the touch screen. And I put already the brown rice in cook. Let's see if gonna cook this one. But madam, walang number.
It's fine.
Okay.
Automatic.
Let's see. Automatic It's not cook. I will blame you.
No.
First time doing Nespresso, Madam Darlene. Very fancy. So let's push one more time. Push. Wrong pronunciation again. Correct. This is for Jen. So we are bartender now. Coffee maker. That's Madam. Always think.
Ang bisita mo, hindi mo na pababalikin sa susunod.
Ay, wala po.
She wants unsweetened almond milk for her coffee. What if I don't have?
Cheers. Too much talking.
No. You can come back here again, ha? You can come back here again.
Oh my God. Jen's in charge with the adobo that they forgot to take out from the freezer.
This is pacham adobo.
Pacham. Okay.
Pacham.
I don't know the English, madam. What is the pacham?
I don't know. We don't know the taste if it's good or what.
Let's see.
Chamba only.
Chamba. Oh my God. Like you put the whole rock paper na, madam.
Yeah. It's good.
It's good. It's overcooked already, your adobo.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I removed the water. It's too much water on it. Because it's frozen. Now I'm gonna add the potato.
Potato that forever waiting in the table. Hot of potato.
Lots of veggies. More healthy.
A lot. She's doing now the lumpia. No, I'm joking. It's a Jen lumpia, that one. Ako pa ba? So 56. Oh my God.
Hindi niya talaga ano, ha?
Ganyan din ba kayong magprito? Nakapimiwang pag nagbabaliktad.
Huwag mo ganuhin na.
No, pukos na pukos yan ha. Nakapimiwang.
Kayong bisita natin, baka ay mapalpak to.
Uy, huwag ganun. turon ang kinalabasan.
Totoo ba yan? Bakit hindi na?
This is Madam AJ. She cook a lot. Siguro. Pag hindi ako tamarin. So, and Madam Jackie also. Oh, look at that. They bring a lot of food. And Madam AJ is still cooking the pasta. It's so fancy. American. So, dollar.
Sa table para ready na.
Oh. Madam is very good in plating. Let's see.
Wala pa nga nagawa. Gusto na.
Fresh. She just finished taking shower. So fresh.
Fresh from the farm.
Oh.
Para siyang, ano ba, dynamite, something, pero masarap siya kasi cream cheese may ano siya, may pangalan. Asawa ko nung na-idea nito, pero ako hindi pinagagawa.
Shrimp?
No.
Ano man?
Cheese lang siya, be. Cheese na may, ito ba?
Mga ilang ano yan?
Cheese.
Bago maluto.
Taray.
Alin?
Yan.
Pag na-ano na yung dito,
Ay, may mga ilang minutes siya.
mga ano lang, 20, kulangin natin ang,
This is the way she gonna put because she's wearing white pants. And she got red sauce in there. Oh, poor thing.
Ay! Nasa kayo dito! Parehas kayo dito, dalawa pa kayo. Wala pa kami ito. Dalawa kayo tingnan nyo! Dalawa kayo dito tingnan mo!
Punta ka na, Jen.
Si Pinky! Si Pinky! You know, we like to give ourselves a hug. Yeah, because that's what we do. We look for every little stress that we can have.
Oh, look at that. Welcome.
Na yung pao, nilagay ng tape.
No P in our poll. What is P?
P.
Oh, look at that. Welcome. Welcome. So, I don't know the meaning of P. But it's, the guys only celebrating a pool party. But they don't know that the girls prepared a birthday celebration for Cooper. And Cooper's birthday is tomorrow. So, Cooper no idea that we gonna celebrate also his birthday. So, look how busy the girls. And this is our kitchen look like. Now, we are not sure that the adobo
Lechon paksiw.
come out lechon paksiw now, not adobo.
Pwede natin ilagay ito habang iniinit. Gusto mo may pwede init o wag na? Ha? Even the, you know what? Even the
Madam Pinky and Jack is arrived here. Arrived. Oh, look at this. You got a lot. Oh.
ano ba ito? Parang tray? Tray?
Yan.
This is a surprise video also. Here's Sia, Ron, and Mimi.
This is we are waiting. The guys gonna come home, right? So somebody's in charge in the door. They are guarding. The ladies are hungry already. Look at that. In pork.
Hindi ka pa first meal?
Happy birthday!
They know it! The guys know it! That's why he planned for bowling. Yes!
And you Happy birthday, tubers. I have no idea. Yeah, I ain't gonna forgive him for this. Hey, there's our cruisers. How you doing?
Yay!
I was wondering why all the chairs were outside.
Did you see the banner?
Yeah, I like that.
From JT. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
I thought, why is it?
Lot of food. We have pizza, we have Filipino dessert, more of Mexican, also that AJ made. We have keto also for dessert. Filipino again. Ano man to, madam? What is it? What is that, madam? Chicken what?
You're still mesmerized?
I hate it.
And all the way from Paris.
I'm gonna get you back.
So Madam Darlene is so prepared. Her table fridge is on the go. We have the sugar-free cheesecake by Madam.
First time.
First time, she said. So let's try. Still a lot of food.
Happy birthday, Jack.
Yay! It's already 5 p.m. and we're still sitting here, chit-chatting, and some of the guys already in the swimming pool. And of course, wives are serving them liquor. Are done already. The table outside is empty, and a lot of people also take home a lot of food that we did not finish. Of course, the girls are busy also here. And I'm done already. I need to go home. It's already 6. Oh my God. I keep saying I need to go home now. 4 p.m., right? 2 oras na. 2 hours already and I'm still here. Watching the sunset in the land of smile is a reminder that a lot of things to be grateful for. Even my overtake 1 hour to take me back home, still grateful because I arrived safe. And again, guys, thank you for stopping by and hoping to see you all in my next video. Bye!